Amma Ki Khushi, the sweetest Eid gift. The sun rose over the small village of Rampur, and the air buzzed with excitement. It was Eid morning. Every child was dressed in new clothes, clutching shiny coins for the fair. Beta, buy something you like. Eat sweets, play, be happy. Rafiq headed towards the fairgrounds with his small treasure tightly held. The fair was magical stalls of sweets, toys, balloons, and bright bangles everywhere. Rafiq smiled shyly, patting his pocket. 3 rupees enough for sweets or toys, but not for both. But as he walked past a blacksmith's stall, something caught his eye. He remembered how Amma burnt her fingers every day while making rotis on the open chulha. He pulled out his coins and said, "Give me one, Chacha." "No, Amma will be happier with this." Back home, Amma was waiting at the door, eyes shining with love. When she opened it, her hands trembled. Tears welled up in her eyes as she touched the tongs.